Tired of being locked out of your favorite apps and Apple services? We're going to fix that. First, locate the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. It's usually a gray icon with gears. Tap to open it. Scroll to the top of the Settings menu. You should see a prompt that says Sign into your iPhone or Sign into your iPad. Tap on that. Now, look for the phrase Don't have an Apple ID or Forgot it, and tap on it. This will reveal options for creating or recovering your Apple ID. In the pop-up menu, choose Create Free Apple ID. This will start the process of creating your new account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your birthday. Be sure to enter it accurately, as this information is important for account recovery. Tap Next once you've entered your birth date. Now enter your first and last name in the provided fields and tap Next to proceed. On the next screen, choose to use your existing email address or select Get a Free iCloud email address. We'll select the free iCloud email address for this tutorial. Now, create an email address ending in @iCloud.com. This will be your new Apple ID. Check its availability and proceed. Create a strong password that you can remember but is hard for others to guess. Enter it in both fields and tap Next. Make sure to follow the password requirements shown on screen. Enter your phone number. This will be used for verification and account recovery. Choose whether to verify via text message or phone call and tap Next. Review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree at the bottom of the screen. You may need to confirm your agreement in a pop-up window. The system will verify your phone number with a text message. Enter the verification code sent to your phone when prompted. Lastly, decide whether you want to merge your data. The system will then sign you into iCloud. You've successfully created your new Apple ID and can now access all of Apple's services.